Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. The Disney Store Odaiba Aqua City shop is a must-visit for Disney fans in Tokyo. This retail chain offers a wide range of official character toys, clothes, collectibles, and more. While it may not be as extensive as the nearby Disneyland, it's a convenient option for picking up popular Disney merchandise. The store is known for its helpful and English-speaking staff who provide excellent customer service. Visitors appreciate the variety of products available, including items targeted at adults and perfect for gifts. The Disney Store Odaiba Aqua City shop is praised for its cute and carefully selected Disney goods, including items targeted at adults. Visitors appreciate the variety of merchandise, the presence of beloved characters like the Seven Dwarfs and Goofy inside the store, as well as the exceptional customer service provided by knowledgeable staff members. The shop offers Tokyo limited edition items and caters to different preferences with a good selection of gifts. Despite being small, it remains a must-visit spot for Disney fans during Odaiba sightseeing trips. Please like, share, and subscribe. Step into a world of enchantment at the Disney Store Odaiba Aqua City, where every corner bursts with Disney magic. Shop for exclusive merchandise, delight in themed displays, and enjoy a whimsical atmosphere that celebrates beloved characters. Perfect for families and fans alike, this store promises an unforgettable experience in the heart of Tokyo's vibrant Odaiba district. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. The Disney Store Odaiba Aqua City is more than just a shopping destination. It's a vibrant celebration of Disney's beloved characters and stories. Located on the 3rd floor of Aqua City Odaiba, this store offers an immersive experience that captures the essence of Disney magic. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. As you enter, you are greeted by colorful displays featuring iconic characters such as Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and many others, making it a great spot for photo opportunities. This store is known for its exclusive merchandise, from plush toys to clothing and accessories, perfect for collectors and fans of all ages. You can find unique items that you won't see in other stores, making it a must-visit for those looking to take home a piece of Disney magic. The layout of the store is thoughtfully designed, with each section dedicated to specific characters or franchises, enhancing the shopping experience. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Furthermore, the Disney Store Odaiba hosts various events throughout the year, including character meet and greets and seasonal promotions. It's advisable to check their schedule during your visit to take full advantage of the enchanting activities offered. Whether you're a lifelong Disney fan or just looking for a fun shopping experience, the Disney Store Odaiba Aqua City is an enchanting destination that promises to leave you with unforgettable memories. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below.